Alright, what's going on, you guys? It's That Neon Channel here. This is part 2 of how to take an srt4 turbo apart. Today we're rebuilding the srt4 turbo. If you didn't watch my video on how to take it apart to get it off the car and dismantle it, check out that video. I'll put an indentation up in the corner and a link in the description. But this is going to be to rebuild. So, first off, you're going to need a pair of snap ring pliers, a couple picks, a 8mm and a 12mm wrench, and a rebuild kit. This rebuild kit comes with everything, even a new bolt. So we're going to move this to the side for now, and we're going to dismantle what we have. So now if you're worried about keeping this balanced, I suggest you take like a Sharpie and put a black dot up here on the rod or whatever, the stud. Put a black mark on the bolt and a black mark on the impeller wheel. That way you can get it all lined back up, the compressor wheel or whatever. So I already busted this loose. But you're going to put the 8mm on this side and the 12 on the other side. Slide your compressor wheel off, and you will see a snap ring right here. You have to remove that snap ring. Take your snap ring pliers. Take your snap ring, set it to the side. You get a new one of those, so you can probably just throw it away, but now that we have that, oh yeah, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver too. I thought I had it out, but guess not. You're going to pull your exhaust side out, right to the side. Let's get a flathead screwdriver. You're going to want a rather small one. I like this little one right here. Take this screwdriver and stick it behind here and push just a little bit evenly all the way around. This piece is being replaced too. Okay, because we ran out of recording room, we had to restart and delete some videos, but I didn't go any farther. Just pop this up out of here after you do it around evenly. Should be ready to come out. If I had two hands, it'd be a lot easier, but bam. This is all being replaced. Lay it to the side. Then you got this gold piece down the side. You can see. Pretty cool. Yeah. Whatever. Get it out of there somehow. Just lift it up with a pick or something. Try to get it in there somewhere in the middle. You kidding me? Let me put the camera down and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I got that piece lifted out of there, that golden piece right there, now we're left with this. So, where's my pick at? Where's my pick? You're going to take this golden piece out. this is being replaced. And this piece down here, it fell. Make sure that doesn't happen to you. That's all you want is a piece stuck inside your turbo. That'd be lovely. Flip this over and look at the other side. Yeah, you might want to take your screwdriver or something and clean this up a little bit. Get this little bit of burnt oil off there. Just to freshen her up. Look how nice that camera is. I can see better on the camera than I could see actually looking at it. I'm definitely happy with the camera. I still need a GoPro there for action shots. It's so cool though. How easy it focuses like that. Anyways, just wipe that off a little bit. Just freshen it up real good. Now to get to the replacement parts. Alright. Over here on this exhaust piece. I'll move this out of the way for now. You're going to want to remove this. Leave it running up junk pile, and there's a ring on here. I don't know if you can see that. See that split? You want to separate this ring off here. We're replacing this spring. Just clean all this up real nice with a pick as best as you can and a rag. Clean this rod off a little bit. I'm going to use fresh oil when we put it back together. I'm going to wipe this off and I'll be back. Alright you guys, now we clean this shaft up. I removed that bearing or erase or whatever you want to call it for the seal. Just take a screwdriver, spread it apart, pull it off, break it off, doesn't matter, we're not going to reuse it. Let's get all this stuff out of the way because we don't need it confusing us with old stuff. Just lay down here on this rag. All this stuff. So now we're left with the compressor wheel, a exhaust wheel, heat shield, and the CHRA. So, over there, your picture right here. Where was that little? I forget. I guess I'll remember. You want to get your turbo kit and take everything out of it. Let's move this CHRA out of it real quick. I think there's one more seal I need to remove, but I'll figure it out here in a minute. So, here's these two pieces. Two rubber seals. The gold thing. The C-clip. Oh, okay. Now I remember. There's two little boys. These are two race or seals, whatever you want to call them. Some more C-clips. Not exactly 100% where they go. They're a brand new nut. So let's get this thing out of the way. Find a more comfortable position to sit in. So I'm gonna move this over here. I feel like they go inside of there. Let's see what we're missing after we're done. So I'll put those over there for now. Now this ring, the bigger one of the two, will go in this shaft. Slide all the way up to the end. Slide up and over into the farthest away crack. Not the first one, but the second one. Alright, now you got your seal in there. Hey, bada boom, bada bang. Alright, the other little one will go on this piece right here. Where is that piece? Did we take it off? Where is that piece at? I know it's in here somewhere. That's right, it hooks to the bottom of this. Holds this together, that's right. So, take this and put it like that. And then, well, I guess we could do that on camera. You take this piece right here, and you flip it upside down. Take this piece, upside down. Take this piece you just put that seal on. Take this thing, stick it inside here. And I'm going to do this with two hands, so I'll break it. And I'll be right back. Okay, now that I got that in there, you can see it's flush. Well, I guess sticking out a little bit past, but the bearing's in there. Or seal, whatever you want to call it. Put that to the side. And you're going to take these little golden things right here. Drop it down inside of there. And now you're going to take this little thing. Stick it like that. On top of there. Take this golden thing. Make sure this piece is pointing down. I don't want to have all this stuff a little oiled to oil it pre. Let me get that in there. I'm going to peel this O-ring out of here if you look. See this? I'm going to peel it out of there with your pick. Again, I'm going to use two hands so I don't scar it up. So I'll be right back. Now we get the O-ring started, just pull it out of there like that. Boom. O-ring out, take the new O-ring, and we're down the side of there. Alright, now we got that seal in there. Now we can take this piece right here, take this piece that's sticking up, and push it down the side of this hole. Again, you're going to want to have all this stuff oiled up a little bit. I've oiled it up with my fingers, as you can see. You want to push this in there until it recesses and shit. Don't want to push that bearing out of there though. So, let me use two hands and I'll be right back. Alright, now that we got it recessed in there, as you can see, and then that's when this new C-clip comes in hand. You're going to want to pop that C-clip in there. I'm sure that's going to take more than one hand. But we'll try to do it just for entertainment purposes. Almost. Oh man. Not how you use a C-clip. Yeah, I think it needs to be pushed down just a little tad bit more so the C-clip can pop in. But all you need to do is get it down far enough that that C-clip will pop in there just enough and you're good on that one. Now you're going to want to flip it over. Where's the other O-ring at? Oh, right here's the other O-ring, sorry. There's an O-ring going around the outside. You're going to want to remove that one too with your pick. So we'll try to do that. Take the new one. Get that new one on there. Bang. Flip it over. You got a hole in there? Oh yeah, you do. Other gold bearing. Bang. Drop it in there. Remember to oil it up. Like I did. Oil your shaft up a little bit. Take your, oh yeah, don't forget to put your heat shield back after you cleaned it all up. Then take your, drop it down the side. And push it until that thing is flush and seals. It's gonna take me 2 hands, so I'm sorry, but I gotta put you down again. Alright, as you can see now, we got our flush. So now for this side, take your compressor wheel, put it back on there, line it up with the lines that you put on there before. I guess you'd want to use your old bolt if you're gonna keep the lines. I'm using the new bolt wherever it went. Looks I guess it dropped. So I might be using the old bolt. Where did the bolt go?
Is it silver right there?
Yeah. No, not that one. Let me find this bolt. And I will show you what that looks like. So anyways, that bolt was right here. Pretty retarded. You guys should probably see him. Screw your bolt on there. Try to get the stuff lined up how you had it. Like I said, balancing it really is not going to hurt anything. Then you're just going to tie it down to factory spec. I forget what it is. But yeah. That's how you rebuild an srt4 turbo. Make it have a 0 shaft, but I think it's tight as can be. Let me tighten it down and I'll show you how it spins. Alright you guys, and that's how you rebuild a TD04-LR srt4 PT-GT cruiser turbocharger. Now just reassemble it, which is the same as dismantling it, and you won't be blowing no oil smoke anymore, hopefully. Remember to leave a like if you liked the video. Remember to comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe if you ain't already subscribed to that Neon channel. It really helps. Thanks. Peace. Ethan Bradbury.